In this video, I will show you how to view your Apple ID password on your iPhone. First things first, locate the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings, look for your name at the top of the menu and tap on it. Now that you're in the Apple ID section, scroll down and select iCloud. Here, you'll want to find the option labeled Passwords. Tap on it. Before proceeding, make sure that Sync This iPhone is enabled. If it's not already toggled on, simply switch it on by tapping the toggle next to that option. Now exit out of the Settings app by swiping up. Next, find the Passwords app on your device. This might be located in a folder or right on your home screen depending on how you've organized your apps. Tap to open it. At this point, you'll need to verify yourself using Face ID for security purposes. After successfully verifying yourself, tap on All Accounts, which will display all saved passwords stored on your device. Scroll through until you find your Apple ID account, then tap on it. You should now see both your username and password associated with your Apple ID displayed prominently. Once copied, feel free to use it wherever necessary, whether logging into another device or resetting an application. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.